Hello guys, good morning. It's already 8:45 in the morning here and tapos na yung fasting ko, 16 hours. And then pakita ko lang sa inyo itong breakfast ko, itong black coffee without sugar, and meron ako ditong overnight oats na may apple, dates, and oats of course. Ayan, mga diba? Iniwan ko na si low carb kasi nga nakapasting ako, then naglo-low carb pa ako, baka madali na akong kunin ni Lord, charot. So magka-calorie deficit na lang ako uli, and then ayan ang aking breakfast. So yun lang guys, thank you everyone, be healthy, stay safe kung saan man kayo naroroon, bawal magkasakit kasi mahal magkasakit, and bye bye.